In this episode of SolidWorks for Creo Parametric Users, we will begin our exploration of the sweep feature in SolidWorks, starting with the most simplest option. Simplest. And that is a sweep with a circular profile. And the first thing to note is that when you are creating a sweep in SolidWorks, you're going to choose whether it is a boss or base. In other words, it adds material, or whether it is a cut. In other words, it removes material. Let's start by creating a swept boss base. And here in the property manager, I will change to a circular profile. For selection, all that we have to do is pick the path that we want to create this sweep on. And that path could be some existing curves, or it can be model edges. Let me grab an edge from the model. Here we have the path, and one way to grab the tangent chain is to right-click on the note that says path, and then I will choose the option for tangent propagation. Here we have the diameter of our circular profile. It is suggesting a value of 10. I'm happy with that. From the options, we have choices like tangent propagation. I'll use that from the options group here when I create a cut in a moment. There are also options for merging tangent faces, also aligning with the end faces, and we are showing the preview and we are merging the result. You can also create this as a thin walled feature if you check the box and then specify the direction for the thin feature and also the thickness. And also there's some options for curvature display like mesh preview, zebra stripes, and curvature combs. But I am happy with this. Let us hit the check mark in order to add that boss base to the model. Now let's take a look at doing the same thing with a cut. I will click on the swept cut command, and I will once again change to a circular profile. Let's pick our path. I will select this edge. Let's expand the options. I will turn on tangent propagation. I will leave the same value for the diameter and then hit the check mark. And in that way, we are removing material from around that set of inside edges. So there you have it. That is how you can create a sweep with a circular profile in SolidWorks.